shoving 10 pounds of culture into a 5-pound bag, we proudly present Jorge Castillo, keyboard artiste. Apparently there are no paintbrushes or pencils in El Salvador, but Jorge's artistic muse could not be silenced. Using an ancient artifact known as a typewriter, Jorge has cranked out reams of incredibly detailed art. Like these buildings. And this uncanny likeness of Tori Spelling. Other jealous artists are quick to criticize Jorge's work. This guy's pointing out a misspelling at the bottom of the picture. Unfortunately, there's no spell check on a typewriter. Oh, and by the way, Jorge is our favorite name to say on Max X. Jorge. 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 Our favorite name, our favorite artist. Congratulations, Jorge.